What's up, guys? What's up? I think I'm retarded. Run it. What up, guys? I don't normally do this type of videos, but special fucking episode just for you guys. I mean, just for me. My fucking parts for my PC has come in. It's been too long. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I'm gonna be building this shit myself. Keep in mind, okay, before y'all judge me, I have never never built a PC before. So all you veterans out there that know what the fuck they're doing, I am completely new. Yeah, I'll be trying my fucking best. Criticism, okay? Not like, oh, you do, you stupid bastard. Oh, the side of fucking cables are all losing. I don't know what those mean. I might be a dumbass for this, but it's for content, so I'm doing the unboxing right now. I'm gonna start with this bitch first. So, I have no clue what the fuck this is. I'm pretty sure it's my motherboard, though. Scissors. Shit. You know what? Fuck it. The angle will be a little bit shitty. It is indeed the motherboard. And I got, oh, nice. So the RAM is in here. I don't need the fucking box. Get the fuck out of here. It's like I got the power supply right here, and this. Oh my god, I'm huge. Like I said, none of this shit don't need it. Oh, it is the processor. What the? I have scissors. You know what? I'll talk about the parts later. This is the last box we have to go through. Oh, I just broke the fucking oh, shit. I thought I popped this motherfucker. Dude, how the fuck do you take this out? Okay.
Do you know somebody with autism?
Fuck it, I'm just gonna tear the box out. There we fucking go. Oh, yes. Okay, very late disclaimer. This is not a tutorial. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So, we got X570-Plus. TUF Gaming motherboard. I chose this 860 Evo 1TB. It was on sale. I know it's outdated, but it's on sale. Same thing with this one. I got the RM750X for the power supply. I got the LPX Vengeance for the motherfucking RAM. My mouse, M65, RGB Elite. We got a motherfucking Razer Ornata, very clicky. Ryzen 7 3800X. The RTX 2070. I wasn't gonna go for the Super because Super is fucking expensive. And then we got the H510 Elite case. Alright, I'm gonna start with the build. Motherfuckers always tell me start with the motherboard. So we're starting with the motherboard. Oh, what the fuck is this? Okay, I honestly have no clue what the fuck this is. The tutorials that I watch, I've never seen that shit before. Okay, so I'm fucking scared now. Oh my god. We got CD. Y'all like CDs? CDs nuts? They did give us a stock cooler, or a CPU cooler, I don't fucking know. It's not spinning.
About 1 in 100 people have autism.
Spin, dude! We're gonna have to take this out of the thing, the box. But we can't touch the top or the bottom, because it will fuck up the thing. Did I just touch the... Okay, never mind. There is a little arrow indicator right there. You have to match it with the arrow here. Give it a little wiggle. It's good! Holy shit, let's go! We're still good. So, dude, I really hope this fucking works, man. I'm actually gonna cry. We're gonna be installing the RAM next. So, we got the box open. Oh, I smell those bad fucking boys, bro. Like, let's go! Just gonna turn this motherfucker around. Pardon my language. This motherfucker! We're done with this for now. We're gonna go to the motherfucking case. I am fighting a case right now. Please help me. I need your help in court. I'm kidding. I don't know if I'm a dumbass. I don't know how to open the case. So I'm gonna search up a tutorial. Not open the case. I mean, I'm gonna ask my friend. Yes. Alright, guys. So my friend, Make sure the fan is facing down because the ventilation is in the bottom. So that means like the air will go to the bottom. Like, no shit. I'm going to my friend again because like, look at these fucking cables. I've been here for fucking too long. I'm gonna go eat, so I'll be right back. This is the product so far. Look at how many boxes there are on the fucking ground. Jesus Christ. Okay, so be right back. Fuck it. We're going to attach the fucking graphics card. Boys are coming here soon. I've been building this the whole day. But holy mama, look at this mama. It's my baby. Okay, I am a bastard. I don't know how to take these out. But we do have a special guest coming in. Alright, so I went ahead and took out the side parts so that my graphics card can fit. So look at this. Took out the 2 ports so that my graphics card right here will be big enough to fit in. So we moved to my fucking room. And guess what, my fucking dumbass? I was like, I'm trying to force this bitch in. I'm like, why is it not going in? There's a fucking protective case. Oh man, look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh, don't mind. Yo, it's almost done. I just need to screw in the power supply. PSU is installed. I just need to get the back done. When I seal the case, you already. Yo, I'm so fucking happy. Please work, please. Oh my god. Oh wait. Give me the card. Oh jeez. Thank you. I don't have a monitor yet, but I do have a TV that has HDMI cord. This is the moment of truth. I'm up. Turn it on. Oh. Okay. Oh no way. Oh my god. Yo, it works. I did this. I created life itself. I am a fucking woman. Look at this look at bad boy, huh? Look at this shit, man. Look at that shit, man. Get the fuck out of here. Let's go. This is super sad. I do have a lot of lots of memories with this laptop. It survived pretty much everything. I'm gonna reset this PC. I'm gonna give this computer to my laptop to my sister. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete everything, but I do have the shit running right now. So yes, see you guys on the next video. Peace.